I'm just staring eye to eye with this lying I call myself. I'm half Simba, half scarred, too violent not to be felt. I'm looking at my reflection and watching the ocean part. This ocean was made of tears that been building me from the start. I hear these artists claim the crown and they can't even climb my throne. I'm a Macaulay Coke, you weirdos plotting, sitting home alone. Call me 25 to life, I give them bars and let them think. Sit them down and climb a ladder, start talking and watch them shrink. Play it back, stop talking, whack rapper, I'm the truth. The last of a dying breed, I've come to Uzi vert the youth. I got plans on top of plans on top of plans that drive a Royce. I got fans on top of houses when no neighbors hear the noise. I didn't have too many choices from the land of white and rich, but I built myself from nothing, all they did was dig the ditch. The rest is flowing as I'm mapping out revenge. And ain't no telling where I'm going, cause my mental never ends.
When the world turns to back and your people ain't around, when you falling off the edge, trying not to look down, when you reaching out for help, but they gonna really care, where they kick you when you down, where they really ever there. When the world turns to back and your people ain't around, when you falling off the edge, trying not to look down, when you reaching out for help, but they gonna really care, where they kick you when you down, where they really
see, I've been plotting for some time. Lucky for me, you a rookie. Confused, you act like a king, but yeah, you talk like you got it. Jealousy can be a monster, I just figured you fight it. I put this real out in the world, but never thought that you bite it. Snakes don't bite the real, but then again you move different. I seen that hate in your soul, and I seen that love, it was missing. I tried to love you through it all, but you wanted the prize. You reaching out with this kindness with wrong intentions in mind. But see, today the game is funny, everyone wanna chat. Clowns popping up galore, kill and lift up the mask. Nowadays you never know what's in mind with a combo. I'm known for pulling that heat, morning tonight like Alonzo. So just retire my number and know the truth's never leaving. And know my bars paint an image, just know that looks of the scene. I'll never finish where I'm